So today a Lidl garden and plant drop, straight in with a 6-pack of lavender. Plant these in full sun, lots of water, great for butterfly and bees. These are $4.99 for a tray. Next we've got Celerosa. These are available various colours. These are £3.99. And we've also got cyclamen, but we've not got that any in stock. Then we've got ornamental grasses. You can create a visual impact with these tall grasses, hardy and resilient. And these are $3.99. They look really good in a bot with some other nice borders around the edge. That'd be really cool. $6.99. Inside we've got some pink dianthus. These are not in the brochure, they're not listed anywhere, so I've not got a price for these, but they seem to be a new stock that just appeared. But they're looking really, really cool. We've got some of the old stock from last week and some of the green plants, but there's no price for the dianthus anywhere. So we'll try and find a price. Tall greenhouse plants, multiple varieties. These are quite tall. These are $7.99, and these are easy to care for plants. They look stunning in the garden. So indoors, we've got tarpaulins. You can choose from round ones, chair ones, and garden benches. These are all $4.99. Variety of sizes and shapes. They're really handy for the garden. $3.19. And we've got Parkside permanent wood stain. This is for interior and exterior. Teak or clear. It's a $14.39. We've got sets of paintbrushes. Variety of paintbrushes. 2 different sorts. These are £2.39. These are with Lidl Plus cards. And we've got ladies' clogs. These are $4.79. Various sizes. And then we've also got the men's clogs, $4.79. We've got some leather gloves. These are $4.79 with the Club Card Plus card. And they're 20% off using the Lidl card. 2-in-1 sharpening stone. These are $4.79. I bought one of those. And the Parkside 4-volt Cordless Secateurs. These are compact, they're lightweight, and they've got a built-in battery. Fully charged, these can do 500 cuts. And these are £10.39 with the Lidl Plus card. Shears Secateurs, ideal for left or right-handed use, $7.99. And then the men's shoes again, $4.79, various sizes. We've got pruning saws, 2 types. We've got more of the pruning electric pruners, they're going to be a good sell. And we've got pruning saw, 2 types. And we've got a foldable one. These are £3.99. Really handy for chopping down those thicker branches. And then we've got the Parkside pressure washer. This is $34.99 reduced to $27.99 with your Lidl Plus card. This is ideal for outdoor areas such as patios, paths and drives. $27.99. We've got more tarpaulins. These are $5.59 with the Lidl Plus card. Various sizes. And then we've got the extendable bypass and Anvil Loppers. These are really heavy. These are going at $7.99. And we've also got the extendable Hedge Shears. These are $7.99. Maximum cut 6mm with your Lidl Plus card. So everything here is 20% off with your Lidl Plus card. $7.99. We've got a telescopic fruit picker or collector. These would be handy for collecting the fruit off the apples, off the trees. These are $6.39. We can see in this open box what you get inside the box. A little collector for your fruit. These are $6.39 with the Lidl Plus card. Extendable Tree Pruner. There's a saw. These are $13.59. And then we've got next door, we've got the brush. We've got an edge trimmer, garden trimmer, and the rake. These are really handy. And these are $4.79. So none of the solar decorations, all the shovel, which was $15.99. So let me know in the comments, what would you choose for your garden tidy up? Cheers.